Eating here. Okay. Make it first one. To make first this full page we are doing drawing, okay? First make this like line like this, okay? And make 2, 3 like this. So I first make here eyes, eyeball, nose. This is first character set. 2, this is cap. We can do cap. To make some doodle art of Happy New Year. Okay. Make some line. Like this. Like this. Like this. First to make simple this. Now just add some next steps like this. Okay.
Sir, can you see me?
Yeah, please. I see you. Nice, nice. Okay. Make it like this character. Okay. Make happy new year. Here I make happy. Okay. Happy new year.
Sir,
Yes.
yeah, I cannot see the leg.
Leg is not there because that much only. You can make some crackers over here. You can add something your own ideas. Like I add some cracker over here.
Rabbits are taking this and
Okay. I add some ribbons right here. I add some balloon. So you can add something your own. This is kind of doodle art. Okay. New here. Here. This is the boy lake. You can add something star. So doodle art with for Happy New Year. Okay, here make something cracker. Like this. So it looks very happy moment. So everywhere I put some. Okay. Like